In this video, I'll show you how to sign up with BlueHost and install a brand new WordPress website, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Lewis here from websitethink.com, and I'm really excited on bringing you this video on how to get started with BlueHost. So before I get stuck in, I'll just let you know that I'll put links down below to BlueHost if you want to follow along. And I'll also put a link down below where I've done a comparison between BlueHost and HostGator, and I run down why I actually picked BlueHost as well. So if you want to learn more about BlueHost, that's a really good place to start. So to get started, I'm just going to jump over to my computer and give you a screen recording of how I walk through this process and install WordPress. Okay, let's get stuck in. So to follow on, you can click the link down below in the description. So once you've clicked the link down below in the description, this will open up the BlueHost website. And the first thing we want to do is just go ahead and click the Get Started Now. So this is the pricing page of WordPress with their 3 different plans. So the first one being Basic, Plus, and then Choice Plus. So for Basic, this allows you to host only one website and you have 50 gigabytes of space, and then you can upgrade to Plus and the Choice Plus. So for myself personally, I always choose the recommended Choice Plus, and I recommend this to people that is first starting out as well. And this is mainly because you can actually host unlimited websites with this plan. And you also have unmetered website space as well. So this really is a bonus if you plan on making more websites in the future. But if not, if you only ever plan on making the one website, then the basic plan may be a good option for you. So yeah, just maybe look at the plans and choose which one you think would be right for your needs. So for this one, I'm going to be using Choice Plus. So I'm just going to scroll down and click Select. So this brings us to the domain section of signing up through BlueHost. So BlueHost actually gives you a free domain name when you sign up, which is a big thumbs up. And you also have the option to put in a domain name on the right-hand side if you've already pre-purchased one. So for this example, I'm going to put in a new domain name. And just on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose the domain suffix. So I always recommend choosing .com, as that's just the standard for pretty much all websites across the board, unless you're going to be making a localized website. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click Next. And right here we have a green notification saying our domain is available. So now we can go ahead and put in our information. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my personal information. So I'll skip ahead just to save some time. Now, after the personal information area, we now have the package information. So right here, if I click on this drop down bar, we have the pricing options. So the longer you choose to host, the cheaper it actually ends up being per month. So if I go to the 36-month plan, it's $5.45 per month, as opposed to $7.45 for 12 months. So as I want to save a few dollars, I'm actually going to choose the 36-month option, as I plan on having this website hosted for at least a few years. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that. And right here we have the privacy domain registration, which is free, and the Let's Encrypt SSL, which is also free. So now if I scroll down, I'm actually going to deselect Site Lock Security, as this is not needed. And right here we have the total price for the web host for 3 years and the savings as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put in my payment information. So I'm obviously going to block this out for privacy reasons. So I've gone ahead and put in my credit card information. So the next thing I want to do is just go down to I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click Submit. So once that's gone through successfully, I'm welcomed to the BlueHost page. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and create myself a password. So I'll go ahead and put myself in a password. And just to make sure it's very secure, I'll paste that one in again, and then agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Next. Now I'm just going to go ahead and skip these themes, as we'll actually be making our own website. So I'll go skip. And now I'll go ahead and click Start Building. So once I've gone ahead and clicked the blue Start Building button, this will bring us to our WordPress dashboard. So this is where all the magic happens, and you can post pages, download themes, add plugins, and so much more. So if you've followed along with this tutorial, You can really see how simple and easy it is to get started with BlueHost and create your very first website. So if you have followed along, please actually comment down below on the website that you've created, and I'll be more than happy to look over it and give you any tips and tricks on how you may, improve your website. And if you'd like to start designing your website today, I'll also put a link down below in the description to a tutorial that I've created on how to create an awesome WordPress website. So if this video has been helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.